Very good evening, everyone. Namaskar. Welcome to Victoria Memorial Hall. Warmest welcome to the first ever Victoria Memorial Hall Cultural Festival that we have planned this year. To begin the program, I invite all the dignitaries that we have here today to light the ceremonial lamp and get the auspicious blessings. Please, sir. Today we have with us Dr. S.K. Patnaik ji, who is the Chief of Staff to the Honorable Governor of West Bengal. Along with him, we have with us Mr. Pradeep Khemka ji, who is the Honorary Consul of Brazil and the Director and Treasurer of Consular Corps of Kolkata. We also have with us Mr. Pranav Prakash, who is the Deputy Director General and Regional Director East of India Tourism Ministry of Tourism Government of India. And of course, we have with us Srimati Anita Chakrabarti, who is a member of our Board of Trustees. Ustad Mashkoor Ali Khan ji, who is also our guest of honor today, he is just arriving shortly. I request the audience to Thank you so much. Sir, I request you to please come on the dais and have seats. Our inaugural performance for today is going to be Sangeet Virasat, which is going to be a very beautiful presentation of Hindustani classical music by Ustad Arshad Ali Khan, Abir Mukherjee, Sarwar Hussain ji and their team. But before we begin, I request our Honorable Secretary and Curator, Sir Shri Samarendra Kumar ji, to please give the welcome address so that we all are introduced to the Victoria Memorial Hall Cultural Fest.
Namaskar and good evening to all of you. A warm welcome from Victoria Memorial Hall once again. This is the first ever VMH Cultural Festival what we are organizing at in this beautiful lawn of Victoria Memorial Hall. I would like to welcome our honorable chief guest for today's function, Dr. S.K. Patnaik, IAS and the Chief of the Staff to the Honorable Governor of West Bengal. Welcome, sir, to Victoria Memorial Hall. We have our guest of honor, Shri Pradeep Khemka ji, the Honorary Consul of Brazil and the Director and Treasurer of Consular Corps of Kolkata. Welcome to Victoria Memorial Hall, sir. Srimati Anita Chakrabarti, Honorable Member of the Board of Trustees of Victoria Memorial Hall. She is there with us. Namaskar, ma'am. And we have Shri Pranav Prakash, the Deputy Director General and Regional Director East of India Tourism, Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. Today, the Ustad Mashkoor Ali Khan ji is also coming. Maybe just stuck up on the traffic jam, but he is a renowned musician and teacher, the Khalifa of the Kirana Gharana, and we have students also performing here. We also welcome the musicians for today's evening, Ustad Arshad Ali Khan ji, Shri Abir Mukherjee, Shri Sarwar Hussain, and all the supporting staff, artists and staff there. This is the first Victoria Memorial Hall Festival that was conceived to be a celebration of all forms of art, both tangible and intangible. We are here. Being one of the most visited museums of the country, we also get a lot of visitors to the museum who want to appreciate art, culture and heritage of the country. As an institution, it is recognized as a cultural space by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India also called Sanskriti Para. Calcutta, West Bengal is known for the para culture, and this is called the Sanskriti Para, where we are trying to promote from this year onwards lot of art, culture, and heritage tradition of not only Bengal, our country itself, and also the global institutions who are there part of this. It is Victoria Memorial Hall is dedicated to curating programs that disseminate various aspects of India's rich art, culture, heritage. And throughout the year, we organize this program in collaboration with various national and international organizations that give platform to artists from across the globe and also present an opportunity to large number of visitors and community members to witness and learn about the diverse culture of our world. This, as a museum, it is for the first time that we are organizing here a festival to give an opportunity to the well-known and upcoming artists, the carriers of our cultural heritage, to showcase their art to the audience and at the same time present a unique cultural experience of our museum visitors. This gels well with the objectives of our Sanskriti Para, where we are reclaiming public space through community engagement, especially marginalized sections of society, democratizing the arts by providing a level playing field for established and emerging artists alike, cultural exchange that establish and enables long-lasting social connections. For the first year, we have a unique selection of programs which you are seeing on this event schedule. We have a variety of musical performances including Hindustani classical music and Rabindra Sangeet presented by Ustad Arshad Ali Khanji, Dipanjan Paul, Sayan Mitra. We have instrumental performed by eminent sitar players Ustad Nishat Khan, Kalyan Mazumdar and the renowned tabla player Pandit Tanmay Bosji. We have also organized a Manipuri classical dance by Ms. Purbata Mukherjee, joined by the punk players from Manipur. For an additional gest of creativity, we have a special painting workshop, Dag, the mark of an artist's brush, which will feature eminent artists from Bengal. We hope that this program brings you joy and help and instill a sense of pride and ownership towards our shared heritage. Before we proceed, we'll take a minute to honor the tabla master Padma Vibhushan Ustad Zakir Hussain ji. We are truly unfortunate that he has left this physical form, but his legacy will continue to inspire us forever. I request to stand for a minute of silence in respect of the eminent artist. Thank you so much, everyone. He will be truly missed here, and we were blessed to have him perform at Victoria Memorial Hall on 3 occasions. A remarkable one being the Jugalbandi with his father Allah Rakhaji here at Victoria Memorial Hall premises, the central hall there. We have to have this blessing with us today. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Srimati Anita Chakravarti ji, who has helped us to curate this VMH festival for the first time, and with his valuable support and encouragement. Thank you so much, ma'am. This is the first year, I know that, because getting the audience and like that, but hopefully in the years to come this event will grow in a true spirit. My best wishes to all the artists for their performance, and I hope this program turns out to be grand success. I thank all the audience present here for coming to Victoria Memorial Hall, and hope that you will enjoy this evening together along with the artists. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, I request you to felicitate all our dignitaries on stage today. We'll start with the chief guest, Dr. S.K. Patnaik ji. Thank you, sir. Sir, I request you to now felicitate Mr. Pradeep Khemkaji, the Honorary Consul of Brazil and the Director and Treasurer of Consular Corps of Kolkata. Sir, I request you now to felicitate Pranav Prakash ji, who is the Deputy Director General and Regional Director East of India Tourism Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. We still await the presence of Ustad Mashkoor Ali Khan ji, but meanwhile, we'll felicitate our dear Anita Madam, Srimati Anita Chakrabarti ji, who's a member of our Board of Trustees and who has helped us immensely to curate this special cultural experience. Thank you so much, sir. It's now time to hear from the dignitaries on the stage. So I first invite Anita Madam, please come and express your thoughts with us.
Okay, namaste. Good evening, everyone. My greetings to the honorable dignitaries on stage, the chief guest, Dr. S.K. Patnaik, and the guest of honor, Honorary Consul of Brazil, Sri Pradeep Khemkaji, Sri Pranav Prakashji, and Ustad Mashkoor Ali Khanji. I am very happy that Victoria Memorial Hall is organizing this cultural festival and giving a platform to those young and established artists. It is a matter of pride that this iconic monument will experience this cultural extravaganza, and the thousands of visitors who come to see this museum will get a chance to see the performance so by many artists. Events like these make these known as the cultural aspects of India accessible to everyone, and I think it's a remarkable contribution towards keeping the Indian heritage alive and progressing. I wish the very best to all the artists, and I hope that this program becomes a huge success and receives the appreciation of the audience. Namaste.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your constant encouragement. I now request Shri Pranav Prakash ji to share his views with us.
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is my honor and privilege to be among you and welcome you all to the first ever Victoria Memorial Hall Cultural Festival, which is beginning today. And in no small measure, we have this festival being organized by the gracious presence of respected Dr. S.K. Patnaik, the Honorable Chief of Staff to the Honorable Governor of West Bengal, respected Mr. Pradeep Khemka, the Honorary Consul of Brazil and Director and Treasurer of Consular Corps of Kolkata, and we are waiting for Ustad Mashkoor Ali Khan, the eminent musician and Khalifa of the Kirana Gharana, respected Srimati Anita Chakrabarti ji, Honorable Member of the Board of Trustees of the Victoria Memorial Hall, respected Sri Samrendra Kumar ji, Secretary and Curator of the Victoria Memorial Hall organization. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at a very important day today because this is the very first time an event like this has been happening, and we all are lucky enough to be part of it. me being from the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, I'm thrilled about it because it has been a long-standing demand of the tourism fraternity to hold some kind of an event of this stature at this wonderful, wonderful location. How wonderful it is you can take from the fact that the weather is nice, the light is good, it's a wonderful place for seating, and the birds are enjoying with you as well. So it is our hope that all the hard work which the organizers of the Victoria Memorial Authority have done, you, your friends, your relatives, people known to you, anybody who comes and visits Victoria Memorial Hall during the next few days is able to enjoy it to the fullest, appreciate the art, and enjoy it as a bonus to visiting this wonderful, beautiful memorial site. So with those words, we thank the honorable members on the dais, the Victoria Memorial Authority, who have done very, very hard work over the last couple of weeks to make this event possible. So in appreciation for that, I will request all of you to bring your hands together and give them a round of applause.
Thank you so much, sir. I now request Pradeep Khemka to share his thoughts with us.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and all the dignitaries on the dais. I do not wish to again repeat the names which have already been repeated many times. It is my privilege to be part of the first inaugural event of the Victoria Memorial Hall Cultural Festival. I would like to speak more about Brazil and the Consular Corps. So when people think about Brazil, they think about football and samba. But there is much more to Brazil than football and samba. We have had numerous cultural events over the years. I have been honorary consul for 18 years. And the last event was, we just screened 2 Brazilian films in the Kolkata International Film Festival. We are looking forward to further collaboration with the Victoria Memorial and bringing Brazilian artists to perform in this wonderful venue. The Consular Corps of Kolkata is the only body in India where the career diplomats and the honorary consuls are under one umbrella. In all other cities, the career diplomats have a separate body and the honorary consuls have a separate body. We have 58 honorary consuls and 14 career diplomats in Kolkata. So we have 72 countries represented. We meet once a month and we have interactions and we share all our common thoughts and organize programs. I would request the Director of Victoria Memorial, Shri Samendra Kumar, to give a presentation to the Consular Corps so that we can have further collaboration with all the countries and bring many more events to this wonderful place. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Looking forward to exploring the ideas. Now I request Dr. S.K. Patnaik ji to please give us the inaugural address as the chief guest for the day.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The distinguished guest on the dais, Madam Anita Chakraborty, who is the Honorable Member of the Board of Trustees of Victoria Memorial, the Deputy DG and Regional Director of Tourism, Sri Pranab Prakash ji, Sri Pradeep Khemka ji, the Honorary Consul of Brazil, and he is also the Director and Treasurer of the Consular Corps of Kolkata, Sri Samarendra Kumar ji, who is the brain and the architect behind this event today, Ustad Maskur Ali Khan ji, who is supposed to come and join us very soon, but he should have been on stage, we are missing him, all the lovers of Indian music, dance and painting. It gives me immense pleasure to be standing before you this evening and addressing a group of lovers of the Hindustani classical music. This is the first of its kind in the history of Victoria Memorial that this event has actually begun. It's a 5-day event. I am certain with the days, with the years ahead of us, it's going to grow from strength to strength. Perhaps this is the first year and many people may not be knowing about this event in a big way. but I am certain Kolkata, being the cultural capital of India, I must say, this is going to be a very important event in the years to come. I'm very happy to see some of the serious audience, but I'm certain the tourists who are visiting this place will be overwhelmed when the artists perform on this stage. I'm really impressed by Mr. Khemka suggesting that not only this event should restrict itself to displaying our art and our music, but also bring cross-cultural events to this place through his good office by contacting the various embassies and the high commissions which are located in Kolkata. That would be a wonderful thing. And it should be an event which people from India should cherish to attend in the years to come. I will be very happy to waiting for that date. I consider myself privileged because I am associated myself for this maiden event, which is a rare opportunity and a rare chance given to me by Mr. Samudrendra Kumar on this day. As I do not want to take much of your time, but I am certain that this will be an evening which will, these memories will stay on for many years to come, with a lovely backdrop of the Victoria Memorial and the chirping birds, not silent. They will only become silent when the artists start performing. Till that time, they will be engaging us and our attention. With these words, I thank the organizers of this event, not only the director of the Victoria Memorial, all the senior officers and all the volunteers and all the people who actually have worked very hard to make this event happen this evening. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. We'll shortly start the program. I request you all to take your seats. I request Sir and Anita Madam to remain on the stage to felicitate the artists. The Sangeet Virasat, our program for today, is going to be presented to us by Ustad Arshad Ali Khan. I request Ustad ji to please come on the stage for felicitation. Abir Mukherjee, who is going to be on tabla with us. Abir Mukherjee, who is going to be on tabla. Sarwar Hussain ji, who is going to be on the sarangi. Sarwar Hussain ji. Miss Sanjoti Latu. She is going to be on the tanpura for us. Miss Sanjoti. And Mr. Tathagata Mishra, who is also going to be on the tanpura. A big round of applause for the artists who are going to begin their performance and present a beautiful, beautiful musical evening for us today. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, madam. Very short introductions to Arshad Ali Khan and Abir Mukherjee, the main artists for today. Ustad Arshad Ali Khan ji was a wonder child. And since his childhood, he has been devoted to music. He belongs to the Kinara Gharana, and he is born in the family which has carried this Gharana on its shoulders. He is the grandson of the Sarangi maestro, late Padma Shri Ustad Shakur Khan ji. And his maternal uncles and gurus were the stalwarts of this Kirana Gharana, Ustad Makshur Ali Khan ji and Ustad Mubarak Ali Khan ji. So a very eminent vocalist with us today. Abir Mukherjee, who is on the tabla. Abir Mukherjee is the disciple of Pandit Shubhajyoti Guha, who is one shining tabla artist of his generation. He started learning tabla at a very young age under Sri Pulak Mukherjee. His intense dedication has earned him many, many awards, such as the Tansen Award, the Bengal Champion for 3 years, the Rajya Sangeet Academy Prize, and many more. So, without any further ado, I hand over the stage to the artists.
सभी लोगों को मेरा आदाब, नमस्कार। मैं विक्टोरिया कल्चरल फेस्ट का बहुत शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ कि उन्होंने आप सब लोगों के सामने मुझे गाने का मौका दिया। ज़्यादा टाइम ना लेते हुए मैं राग मधुवंती गाने की कोशिश करूँगा। आप सभी से इजाज़त चाहता हूँ, आज्ञा चाहता हूँ। प्यार बना जे मोरा क्या बोलते हैं मामा जाओ तो क्या बात है? मोरा मोरा जे मोरा मोरा क्या बोल मोरा मोरा जयो मोरा चा सागा मद मगने सद पा सागा गा म पा गा म पद गा म गद गद पद म पद म ग प म द ಗಾದ ಬನೆ ದ ಮಮ ಗನೆ ರು ಏ ಜಿ ಗೋ ಮೋರ ಚಾ ಮೋರಾ ಗಮ ಬನಿ ಧನಿ ಧನಿ ನಿ ದ ಮ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಮ ಮ ಗ ಗ ರೆ ಧನಿ ರೆ ರೆ ಧ ಪ ಮ ಗಮ ಬನಿ ದ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಮ ಮ ಗ ಗ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಬನಿ ದ ಗ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಮ ಗ ರೆ ಧ ಸ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ದ ಪ ಮ ಮ ಗ ರೆ ಧನಿ ಬನಿ ದ ಗ ಮ ದ ಮ ದ ಗ ದ ಸ ಮ ಗ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಬನಿ ದ ಪ ಗ ರೆ ಸ ಧಿ ಮೋ ರ ಸ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಪ ni ದ ni ni ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ni ಮ ni ದ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ದ ಗ ಪ ಮ ni ni ದ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಮ ಭ ವ ಭ ಮ ಪ ni ದ ಗ ಮ ಪ ni ಮ ni ಗ ಮ ni sa ni ಮ ಪ sa ಪ ni ದ ಗ ಮ ದ ಮ ಮ ಗ ರ ಪ ni ದ ಗ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಮ ಗ ರೆ ದ ni ದ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಮ ಮ ಗ ರೆ ದ ಸ ಗ ಪ ಮ ni ದ ಪ ಮ ni ದ ಮ ಗ ಪ ಮ ದ ಮ ni ದ ಮ ದ ಮ ಪ ಪ ಗ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಪ ni ದ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ni ದ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಪ ni ಮ ಪ ni ಸ ಗ ಮ ni ದ ಗ ಮ ni ಗ ಮ ಗ ni ದ ಮ ಗ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಪ ni ದ ni ಮ ಮ ಪ ni ದ ಗ ರೆ ದ ni ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ni ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ni ಗ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರೆ ದ ni ಪ ni ಸ ಗ ಮ ji ro mo ra cha ಗ ಗ ಮ ಪ ni ದ ಗ ರೆ ದ ni ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ni ದ ರೆ ದ ni ದ ಪ ಮ ಪ ರೆ ರೆ ದ ni ರೆ ರೆ ದ ni ಪ ni ದ ಗ ಮ ಪ ni ದ ni ಮ ಪ ಮ ni ದ ಗ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಮ ಗ ರೆ ಸ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ni ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರೆ ದ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಸ ni ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ni ದ ಮ ಗ ರೆ ದ ಸ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ni ಸ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ni ದ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಗ ರೆ ರೆ ದ ni ದ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪ ni ದ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ni ದ ಮ ni ದ ದ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಗ ರೆ ದ ni da ga ma da ba ma ga ga ma ba ni da ni ma ma ba ni da ga re da ni da ma ba ni ga ma da ba ma ga re da ji मोरा मोरा आ Mora Ah मैं तो तन मन धन सब हारिर मैं तो तन मन धन सब हारिर मुनि सुमर लगन लागिर मुनि सुमर लगन लागिर लगन लागे मुनि सुमर लगन मुनि सुमर लगन लगन मुनि सुमर लगन लागे मैं तो तन मन धन सब हारिर मुनि सुमर लगन लागे लगन पिया बिन अगिया दर लगन पिया बिन अगिया दर रात गन कर मुनि सुमर लगन लागी रे मुनि सुमर दब मग मब मगरे धवनि सोमरे लगन लागे पमग गम ब मगरे धनि सा गम मुनि सोमरे लगन लागे रे लगन लागी रे पम द पम ग म ब नि द नि द पम ग ग म ब नि द ग रे द नि रे द नि द म रे द नि म ब नि द नि म नि द ग ग म द प म ग रे द ग म द ब द ब द ब सो म रे ल ग पम द प म ग म ग रे स ग म ब द प म ग रे द नि द द ब नि द म नि द म ग प रि ग रे प रि द प म ग रे द म म म ग म म ग म म ग म म ग म म ग म म ध ग द म म ग ग रे द नि द ग म द म ग रे नि द द म द ग म द ध ग द द द ब म ग म ग प म द प म ग म ब द म द म ग प म ग म ब नि ग ध ग म ब नि म नि द ग द द ब नि द प म प रि द ग रे द द ब म ग म ब नि द म म ब नि द ग रे द नि द प म ग रे द द ब द ब द ब नि सो म रे ल ग न आ सो म रे ल ग न लागी रे लगन लागी रे मैं तो तना मन तो तना मैं तो तना मन दन सवार सो मोरे लगन लागी रे ni da ga ma ba ma ni ba ni da ga re da da ga ma ba ni da ni de ba ni da ma ba ni da ma ga ma ba ni da ma ga re da ni da ma ma ga re da la ga na la ga re mama bani da gere da ni mama bani da gere da ni re da ni da mama ga ma bani da ni da mama ga ma ni da pa ma ga de da o la ga na la ma ga ba ma da mama ga ma ga re da ni pari da da mama ga ma ga re da ni da da ba ma da ba da ba ma da mama ga re da ni ni da ga ma da ma ga re da ni da da ba ni da ma ga ba ma da ba ma ga ni da ma ba da ma ga ma ba ni da ma ba ni da ga re da ni da ma ma ga re da o la ga na la ga re क्या बोल लगना निदा गामा बानी निदा गामा बानी लगन मोरिना उनी चोमर लगन लगे आपकी चीज़ कोशिश कर रहा हूँ गाने की, वैसे तो सभी आपका है लेकिन कोशिश कर रहा हूँ गाने की। खमाज रे रे नो re जब से गए मोरी सुदमुनाली रो जब से कौन सोतना बिरमा बिरमा तो से नहीं बोलूं तो से नहीं तो से नहीं बोलूं रे तो से नहीं बोलूं पिया जाब रे तो से नहीं
A big round of applause. Such a mesmerizing performance. The atmosphere in Victoria has truly come alive by your voice, Ustad ji. Thank you so much. Thank you to all the artists. Thank you to all the guests and everybody in the audience for being here with us today. We hope to see you all for all the other events that follow till 24th. Please do come and enjoy our events. We are very happy that Ustad Mashkoor Ali Khan ji could finally join us. I request sir to please felicitate Ustad ji and express our gratitude that he was able to give us his time.